In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make emails for website using Brevo. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Brevo account and you are on the main dashboard. Brevo organizes tools by category, so the first thing you will do is go to the marketing section. From there, head into campaigns and then choose email. This area is where you create and manage email campaigns that you can send to your audience. Once you are on the email campaigns page, look for the option to create a new campaign. Click Create an Email Campaign. This begins the setup process for a new email. At this point, Brevo is preparing a campaign draft, so you can build and send an email that matches your website or brand. Next, click Design Email. This takes you into the email builder, where you choose a layout and customize the message. The design step is important because it controls how your email looks on desktop and mobile. It also helps you keep your branding consistent, especially if these emails will support your website, such as announcements, promotions, or updates. Now you will select a template. Templates are pre-built email designs that save time and keep your layout clean. Choose the template that best fits your purpose, and then click Use Template. After the template loads, take a moment to review the overall structure so you know where content will go. Even if you plan to customize later, starting with a strong template helps you avoid formatting issues. When you are ready to leave the builder, click Save and Quit. This saves your progress and returns you to the campaign flow. Saving at this point is a good habit because it ensures your design is stored before you move on to sending. Next, select your recipients. Choose the list or audience segment you want to receive this email. Make sure the recipients match the goal of your campaign, since targeting the right group improves engagement and reduces unsubscribes. Finally, click Schedule. Scheduling lets you set the time your email will send, which is helpful for planning ahead and reaching people when they are most likely to open it. That covers everything you need to know.